They were sleeping. Now they think their mama's here.
Here's the baby birds.
Here's the baby birds.
That were in our nest.
That are sitting in our Christmas wreath. No, now they know it's not me. Now they're gonna go back to sleep. Nope, they think food, food. She brought food. Look at there's little eyes. Oh, there's don't have their eyes open.
On our house.
Really, that's getting recorded, you know.
Hanging on the wreath that's on our house.
I got.
Oh, you can see their heads peeking up. Look out, Billy. Do you see their heads peeking up?
You can see their eyes.
Sleeping.
Their eyes are open.
Yep. Everyone in the neighborhood's probably wondering if we're going to take this wreath down or just paint it green for next year. There, now they think I'm their mama coming. Oh, look at them. 1, 2, 3, rest are sleeping, I think. Pretty soon they'll be flying away. Oh, he winked at me.
No.
You don't think so? How are they fitting in there? They're falling out, I want to know. They got all their feathers. Ooh, they're going to fall out. Here. Dolly buggy.
You want drying it off.
Okay, let's see my pretty tree. Come over by my tree, Betty. Come over by the... Yeah. How pretty. Go right in front of it. Go right in front of it, Bets. Yeah, pretty.
Have to see how many come out. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first race on a